Hi guys, so welcome back to this another episode of me sharing with you another simple recipe. So this is actually one of my favorite recipe for breakfast, and it's the kimchi fried rice. So what we need for the recipe here are kimchi, kimchi brine, rice. I use brown rice here, but you could use any rice that you have or you prefer at home. I also use gochujang, red pepper paste. I also use pure sesame oil, but if you already have other sesame oil at home, it's fine. But if you don't have, I prefer that you use pure sesame oil because adding sesame oil in the rice really makes a difference. Then we also need egg, seaweed, and sesame seeds. So, in the process of making this kimchi fried rice, we first need to chop it off into small pieces. And I'm so sorry for my cutting skills because I'm using a small studio box to film everything and to make the lighting good. But I can barely put my hands inside, so yeah, please bear with me. Oh, by the way, I'm using this homemade kimchi, and next time I'll be sharing with you guys how to make this very simple homemade kimchi. So let's prepare the pan first by adding some oil. So we'll use this in frying the egg, and then we just cover it with the lid and then remove it when it's done. On the same pan, get your kimchi and saute it for a little while. So next is we add our rice. Then just incorporate it together. You just mix it. Then we add our kimchi brine. And then I added about a half teaspoon of gochujang. But if you wanted it to be a little bit spicier, then you could add more. So yeah, it depends upon your taste. And then I added a teaspoon of the pure sesame oil. So just incorporate it together. So after incorporating it together, we're done actually with the kimchi fried rice, and then we're just gonna plate it. So here it goes. The final product, oh my gosh, so yummy. I hope you guys like the video, and if you do, please like, share, and subscribe. Thank you so much. Bye.